Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about a topic that is essential for our daily lives: nutrition. We all know that what we eat plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. However, with so much information out there, it can be overwhelming to know what's true and what's not. That's why in this video we'll be sharing with you the key things you need to know about nutrition. Chapter 1. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of providing our body with the necessary nutrients it needs to function properly. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Our body needs these nutrients in specific amounts to ensure good health and to prevent diseases. Chapter 2. The importance of a balanced diet. A balanced diet means eating a variety of foods from all the different food groups. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It is essential to have a balanced diet because each food group provides us with different nutrients that are crucial for our body. For example, fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, while whole grains provide us with fiber and energy. A balanced diet helps maintain a healthy weight, prevents chronic diseases, and improves our overall well-being. Chapter 3. Macronutrients and micronutrients. As mentioned earlier, our body needs nutrients in specific amounts. These nutrients can be divided into two categories: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which are needed in larger quantities, while micronutrients include vitamins and minerals, which are needed in smaller amounts. Both are equally important for our body's growth and development. Chapter 4. The role of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are our body's primary source of energy. They are found in foods such as grains, fruits, and vegetables. There are two types of carbohydrates: simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates provide a quick burst of energy, but are not very nutritious, while complex carbohydrates release energy slowly and contain more nutrients. It is essential to choose complex carbohydrates and limit our intake of simple ones. Chapter 5. The importance of protein. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. They play a vital role in building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and building muscles. Good sources of protein include eggs, poultry, fish, beans, and nuts. It is important to consume an adequate amount of protein, especially for those who are physically active and want to build muscle mass. Chapter 6. The truth about fats. Fats are often demonized, but our body needs them in moderate amounts. They help with energy storage, protect our organs, and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. However, not all fats are created equal. Good fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can be found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish. On the other hand, saturated fats and trans fats, often found in processed and fried foods, should be limited as they can increase the risk of heart disease. Chapter 7. The role of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are essential for our body to function properly. They help strengthen our immune system, support healthy bones and teeth, and aid in various other bodily functions. Each vitamin and mineral has its own benefits, and a deficiency in any of them can lead to health problems. It is important to include a variety of foods in our diet to ensure we get all the necessary vitamins and minerals. Chapter 8. Water, the forgotten nutrient. Water is often overlooked, but it is one of the most crucial nutrients for our body. It helps regulate body temperature, aids in digestion, and carries nutrients to our cells. Staying hydrated is essential for our overall health, and we should aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Chapter 9. Special dietary needs. Everyone has different dietary needs, depending on factors such as age, gender, and health conditions. Some people may need to follow a special diet, such as a vegetarian or vegan diet, due to personal or ethical reasons. Others may have dietary restrictions due to allergies or intolerances. It is important to consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that our dietary needs are met. Chapter 10. Making healthy food choices. Now that we understand the importance of proper nutrition, it's essential to also make healthy food choices. This includes incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into our diet, limiting our intake of processed and high-sugar foods, and being conscious of portion sizes. Meal planning and food tracking can also be helpful tools in making healthier food choices. Conclusion. In conclusion, nutrition plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. By having a balanced diet, including a variety of foods from all food groups, and being mindful of our dietary needs and making healthy choices, we can ensure that our body gets the necessary nutrients it needs to function at its best. Host, that's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you liked this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update and press the like button. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.